Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I would like to take this opportunity to invite all of you, our pharmacists in the GCC, to join us at the GCC Pharmacy Congress in its 12th edition in Dubai between the period of 31st of October and November 1st. As you all know, this year we're planning to have many speakers from outside the region, as well as our regional speakers, where we will address the most advancement in pharmacy practice, health economics, clinical pharmacy, pharmacy industry, and many other sessions. I would like to also congratulate Al Ma'rifa company for hosting this. We at the Saudi Society of Clinical Pharmacy are the strategic partner and would like to see you there, so join us in Dubai.